Welcome back everyone. We're right in the thick of festive season and we thought we'd do a little bit of a Christmassy recipe today. If you love gingerbread or even eggnog and you also love smoothies, then this is the one for you. I'm going to be making a gingerbread smoothie with some homemade yogurt. This recipe will be enough to make 2 generous smoothies. I'm using homemade yogurt today, but if you don't have any on hand, then of course store-bought is always fine. To make this smoothie, everything goes into the blender, 30 seconds and we're all done. Add 2 frozen ripe bananas, 1 large chilled apple, half a cup of homemade yogurt, 1 cup of milk or plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a pinch of ground clove, and a pinch of salt. Blend for 30 seconds on smoothie mode or until completely smooth. Serve with a dusting of cinnamon on top and enjoy straight away. So there you go, that was a quick one but a good one. A great way to change up your smoothie game and to also use up some extra homemade yogurt. We hope you enjoyed this one today, and if you give it a go, let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you want to see more of our Luvele Life recipes, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll be back really soon with another great recipe.